Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. Guys, I want you to breathe in and breathe out. Okay, the price of XRP isn't moving too much. I wanted to take a little bit of a break from that. And I wanted to show you a day trade that I did about a month ago. I made about 450 bucks, just over 450 bucks in about 45 minutes. I used about $10,000 capital behind the trade to make that increase. Just to kind of give you some context, I was trading cannabis stocks, Canadian cannabis stocks. The company is called Afria, ticker symbol APH. Used to be APH, now it's APHA on the TSX. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to kind of walk you through the trade. I made this video about a month ago. You know, there's not too much happening in terms of XRP, so I thought this would kind of be a breath of fresh air. You can watch me make a day trade, maybe get excited about making some money. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. So guys, this is Afria on a 1 minute chart. Okay, we're seeing we saw a strong bullish move up here, and now we're seeing, you know, it hit a bit of a resistance level. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see if it comes back to about hit this level here, hit support here. So let's say around 1635, and we'll see if we can just do a quick day trade on that. Okay. 1635. No, it's even lower. 1633. Let's make it 1632. Now let's make it 1635. Let's go back. 1635. Let's see if we can make this day trade work. Okay, we'll buy it in my margin. Okay, and my order is in there, right? Right about here, 1635. And guys, as we can see, it's dipping down here, okay? And are we going to make it? Are we going to hit that level again? 1640, 39, right? Sometimes this takes a while to go through, but so, you know, I'm hitting this top level. Okay, there we go. Now we're in. Okay, now it's dipping a little lower here. But I don't know if you heard that ding, but now we're into the position. We got in at 1635. Okay, now let's take a look here at where we are. So I got my Afria, I got 660 shares at 1635, and now it's dipping a little lower. Okay, so we're down about 59 bucks. Nevertheless, let's see what this does, and let's see if we can get out at a good price point for a day trade. All right, guys, so now we're seeing the position here. So I purchased here at 1635. Okay, as you can see here, it was roughly around there. It was basing in this zone here, and I wasn't suspecting that it would come down this way, but now we're seeing, okay, so it broke support, and it actually came down to this support level here in the $16 zone, 16, but as we know too, $16 is a psychological barrier as well for traders, just because it's a round number and people feel comfortable trading at solid round numbers. We saw at base, we see a large candlestick tail here on this last red candlestick with a lot of volume, and now we're seeing the upswing again. So let's see if we can surpass this. Even if we can make a few $100 today, I'd be quite happy about that. So let's check back in a bit. So guys, we're back again here, and as you can see, right, we dipped down in this zone here, $16, which was the psychological barrier. Then we are now seeing a pretty strong trend to the upside. So the bulls are taking over here, okay? You know, a little bit of resistance from the bears here, but not so much. We're seeing a pretty strong bullish uptrend. And so the question now is, are we going to break this resistance level, 1665? And then once we break, if we break that, we will keep watching and see how far it could go. As you can see down here, guys, I'm already $158 profitable, okay? And now we're at 1662. And so, right, so we're trying to break this resistance level here. What's next is about 1674-ish, roughly. Okay, you know, right around here to here, and that kind of hits this zone. Old support equals new resistance, so on and so forth. So 1664, 1667. So guys, we've surpassed it, 1670. As you guys can see here, right? So now we've broken this level. So now we're on to the next one. Okay. And so 1675, 78, 70, 72 to 78, let's say, roughly around here, guys. Let's see if we'll go there, and then we'll see what happens, okay? So, guys, as you can see here, okay, 1679, 1680, we have pierced through that former resistance level, and so now we're at 1685. $330 profitable, but where do we go from here, okay? So we said this is the next level here. I just wanted to show this day trade just to show you guys that this is what I do, you know, on top of investing in cryptocurrency. And I don't want to monitor this for too much longer, so I'm going to say we'll get out here at the, you know, in this level here. Let's go a little more conservative, 1707. Let's just say we'll get out at 1707. Okay, so I'll put in the order here. We'll sell 660 shares for a limit price of 1707. I mean, it could go even further than that, but I know I've got plans later today. So, you know, if I'm $350, $400 profitable just for a quick little demonstration day trade, I'm happy with that. So we put in the order 660 at a limit price of 1707 for the day. Okay, we'll set it on auto. It's my margin account, and we'll sell that. Okay, it brings up the order here. Okay, and then we're going to send the order to the market. As you can see down here, it was accepted. So now let's see where we go from here. As you can see, the sell order is up here in this level of resistance. So we see, oh, it doesn't go that high, but you guys get the point. 1707 is the price. Right now we've topped out at 1691. And guys, let's see what happens, okay? All right, guys, so now you can see, right, we're hitting the $17 barrier here. Psychological barrier, right, volume increasing here, but not a lot of price movement. I think there are a lot of buyers and sellers at the $17 mark. Psychological barrier, as we know, that's part of trading. And so, you know, there's a bit of a level here where we see a little bit of consolidation before a drop off. So, you know, maybe I should have picked that $17 level. However, I'm going to still see if I can get it at 1707. I mean, I might lower the level maybe a little bit, just depending on what I see here. But see, okay, so now we're down 1695. It was at 1693, but we've topped an intraday high at $17. And so, you know, I just needed to go a few more cents, and then I'm out of my position. You know, maybe I won't get too greedy. Maybe I'll drop it down to 1704, which would bring us to the top of this level here, 1704-ish. But you know, when you're in this kind of position, you don't want to get too greedy. So let's see what happens. Okay, guys, so consolidation happening right here. We're seeing some long wicks. I'm feeling like the buying and selling equilibrium is kind of at its peak here. So we're finding that level of resistance around here. You know, at this point, I should probably get out at this mark here. But so how is this going to go? Let's see. If we see another long red candlestick, I think we're in trouble, guys. But maybe I should just get out of the position. 16.99. Okay, can it break the $17 mark? Let's see, because it's been hovering. $17 is, like I said before, psychological barrier. People like to trade based on round numbers. I don't understand why. These things are all zones, so you should never trade on round numbers just because you like them. It's kind of a ridiculous notion. So the other thing I wanted to mention was that I'm not using any Bollinger Bands or moving average indicators. The reason I'm not right now is because, I mean, I should be to kind of demonstrate this a lot better, but I know these stocks quite well, and so I have a good indication, and there we go. So we got out at 1704. I did change my order. What did we make profit here? We made a total of $455.40 Canadian profit, and sure enough, it did indeed hit my 1707 mark. It went as high as 1708. Now it's coming back down to 1702. But guys, I just wanted to demonstrate day trading for you and show you guys how you can make some money day trading. Again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please, you know, do your own research when it comes to picking stocks. And, you know, only use money that you are comfortable with losing. I don't want you guys to think that this is super, super easy. It's not. You have to kind of gauge the pulse of the market. You have to understand the stocks that you're choosing, and you have to follow them very, very closely. So guys, that's it for me for today. And so guys, how many minutes did it take me to make $455? So I started here at 9:39, and the position finally checked out at 10 12:24 a.m. So that was about 45 minutes. So, you know, I made $455 in 45 minutes. You know, where else can you make that kind of money? It is very, very enticing to day trade. However, I do reiterate, guys, this is not as easy as I make it look. So please do your own research. Never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. So there's my day trade, guys. Hope you liked it. Please let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more videos like this. I was thinking of doing one about shorting. I want to short a stock for you guys, show you guys how that works. But I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.